Hello, on these videos I'll be showing videos, photos of problems with appliances from washers, dryers, dishwashers, refrigerators, and stoves. And I'll show you the video or the photo and title what the problem with that appliance is. And I read the comments on how to possibly repair it or the problem with the appliance. And you can go on to look for videos on how to repair the problem. But, I'll show you, maybe something leaking or something not starting. And then you can read the comments on the technicians and the DIYers who are commenting on the possibility of the problem with these appliances. So like, subscribe, and comment on the videos. We get this thing going and kind of help you and possibly be able to repair it yourself, or know that, hey, this is a little too technical. I need a appliance person to step in. Let's get started.
Water dispenser comes out the top, and you'll see that there's some water on the glass. Well, what happens is when the water kicks on, it splashes. It pushes out too fast because of the pressure and lands in the seam above the tub. And so when it lands above the tub, it leaks out over the outside of the tub and onto the floor, causing water damage to the floor. I've tried turning the water nozzle down to lower the pressure, and that doesn't help either. There has to be something done to the water output flow to keep it from splashing up onto the glass and above the tub, or else we're going to constantly have water leaking down through this tub and onto our hardwood floor.
Comments. Vic, you should check the water pressure to your house. Even if you turn the hot and cold valves down, it only reduces the flow and not pressure. So if high pressure, you will not be able to control flow. Also, it's not advisable to have high pressure to your house plumbing. 45 to 55 psi is preferred for regulated pressure to your home. The water department does not provide pressure regulations to the house. The homeowner is responsible for that. Robert, call in a warranty repair. Valve may be blown or opening too much, or dispenser may be misaligned. Carl, depending on what year it was made, it is more than likely the tub ring. Robert, you can't turn water pressure down that way. A plumber needs to reduce pressure to the whole house. Washers do not pump in any water. They simply open a solenoid and allow water to flow into the machine at the high pressure. If the pressure going through your house is above 90 psi, it needs to be reduced. When leveling the machine, make sure you are not setting the level on the curved lid. Use the agitator instead. If the machine isn't level, the water entering the machine will miss the tub. Zachary, you got to put a water hammer arrestor on it. George, some valves have a restrictor in them to slow the flow to get to a given dispenser. Maybe restrictor missing. Paul, hook the water lines up from the supply to the washer and see if you get a change, meaning bypass that system above the washer that the black hose is going into. 1 hour appliance and repair. What kind of washing machine is this? Never seen a washer where water comes out agitator. That's what seems like is going on. Correct if I'm correct. Derek, your inlet pressure must be pushing 100 psi to push out like that. The only way to solve this problem it's with the cold side only, is to get a pressure reducer valve water line, install it on the cold water valve of the washer, and then on the cold water side of the outlet of home. If the problem is high water pressure and you call the Whirlpool Service Network for repair, which is Whirlpool's first year warranty technicians going to come out and conclude that it is the water pressure causing the problem and nothing will be able to be done. I know because I used to be one of those technicians. They'll have to call the tech line, explain that it's the pressure to the washer, and therefore for the washer, the water valves on the washers don't regulate pressure as much as allow that pressure is already there to flow through. I know it's ridiculous for a new machine to experience a problem like this, but water pressure can definitely destroy the valve over time. Derek W., Bargain Appliance Repair in LLC. That's it for the comments. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.